Welcome to our ultimate guide on no-carb, no-sugar foods for weight loss and health. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 foods that can help you stay fit and healthy without the carbs and sugar. We're talking delicious, satisfying meals that will help you crush your health goals. So, if you're ready to ditch the sugar crashes, boost your energy, and feel amazing, stick around. It's time to take control of your health. Let's dive right in and get started. So what exactly are no-carb, no-sugar foods, and why are they so great for you? What makes them stand out in the world of nutrition? Well, it's all about making smart choices that nourish your body and support your overall well-being. Carbohydrates and sugars are in a ton of foods, often hidden in places you wouldn't expect. And while our bodies need some of them for energy, balance is key. Too many can lead to weight gain, energy crashes, and even some chronic health problems like diabetes and heart disease. Now, when we talk about no carb, no sugar, we're focusing on foods that are naturally low in these things, not artificially altered. We're talking about whole, natural foods that are packed with nutrients and flavor, offering a delicious way to stay healthy. The beauty of these foods is that they can help you feel fuller for longer, keeping those cravings at bay. No more afternoon slumps or energy dips. So, are you ready to discover the top 10 no carb, no sugar foods that will revolutionize your diet and lifestyle? First up, we have a true breakfast champion, eggs. These little wonders are a staple in many households. Seriously, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a range of essential nutrients. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, all while containing 0 carbs and 0 sugar. It's amazing how much goodness is packed into one small egg. Think about it. One egg has around 6 grams of protein. That's quite impressive for such a small food item. That's a fantastic way to start your day, keeping you full and satisfied until lunchtime. Eggs are truly a breakfast hero. Plus, the protein in eggs helps build and repair muscle tissue, which is essential for a healthy metabolism and overall well-being. So next time you're looking for a delicious and nutritious breakfast, lunch, or even dinner option, remember the incredible power of the egg. It's a versatile choice for any meal. Eggs are versatile and can be prepared in countless ways to suit any meal. From scrambled to poached, the possibilities are endless. Next on our list is the amazing avocado, a true superfood. It's actually a fruit packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients that your body craves. When we talk about healthy fats, we're talking about monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be used in many dishes. You can slice them up on salads, mash them into guacamole, add them to smoothies for a creamy texture, or even use them in baking for a healthy and delicious twist in your favorite recipes. Avocados are also rich in vitamins C, E, K, and B6, as well as folate, magnesium, and potassium, making them a nutritional powerhouse. So embrace the power of the avocado and add this creamy, dreamy fruit to your no-carb, no-sugar diet today. Your body will thank you. Let's dive into the incredible benefits of fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines. These swimmers are bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Fish is naturally low in carbs and sugar, making it a perfect addition to a healthy diet. You can bake it, grill it, pan-fry it, or even enjoy it raw as sashimi. Get creative with herbs, spices, and lemon juice for a flavor explosion. So next time you're looking for a heart-healthy, brain-boosting, and delicious meal, reel in the benefits of fish. Meat lovers rejoice. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, beef, and pork are excellent sources of protein and essential nutrients, all while being low in carbs and sugar. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, maintaining a healthy weight, and feeling full and satisfied. Grilling, baking, or roasting are great cooking methods that help retain flavor without adding extra calories. Herbs, spices, and marinades can transform your meals from ordinary to extraordinary. So, go ahead and meet your macros with these delicious and nutritious protein sources. Cheese lovers, this one's for you. Yes, you heard that right. Cheese can absolutely be a part of a healthy, no-carb, no-sugar diet. Cheese is a great source of protein, calcium, and healthy fats. Opt for harder cheeses like cheddar, Swiss, mozzarella, and Parmesan, as they tend to be lower in carbs and sugar compared to softer varieties. And remember, moderation is key. Enjoy cheese as part of a balanced meal or as a snack, but don't go overboard. Add it to salads, omelettes, or use it as a topping for vegetables. The possibilities are endless. Let's talk about the superheroes of the vegetable world, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, lettuce, arugula, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Leafy greens are incredibly low in carbs and sugar, making them a perfect addition to any diet. You can enjoy them in salads, smoothies, soups, stews, or even sautéed with a little garlic and olive oil. One of my favorite ways to enjoy leafy greens is to add a handful to my morning smoothie. So make leafy greens a regular part of your diet and experience the incredible health benefits they have to offer. Nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're also naturally low in carbs and sugar, making them a perfect snack or addition to a no-carb, no-sugar diet. From almonds and walnuts to chia seeds and flax seeds, there's a wide variety of nuts and seeds to choose from, each with its own unique nutritional profile. Almonds, for example, are a great source of vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber, while walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. This heart-healthy oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a nutritional powerhouse. One of the key benefits of olive oil is its high content of oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. When choosing olive oil, opt for extra virgin olive oil, as it's the least processed and retains the highest levels of nutrients and antioxidants. Berries are nature's candy, bursting with flavor, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. And the best part, they're naturally low in sugar and carbs, making them a guilt-free treat you can enjoy on a no-carb, no-sugar diet. From strawberries and blueberries to raspberries and blackberries, each berry variety offers its own unique set of health benefits. Strawberries, for example, are an excellent source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost immunity and protect against cell damage. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and guides. Remember, living a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious no-carb, no-sugar foods into your diet, you'll be well on your way to achieving your health and wellness goals. Small changes can make a big difference. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.